Why will a geological disposal facility, or GDF, be safe? A GDF will be safe because it will be underpinned by scientific research. Safety, security, and the protection of people and the environment underpin everything we do. We will need to show that a GDF will be safe based on a wide range of evidence from some of the world's top scientists and through the use of cutting-edge research. All of this will be recorded in a set of documents called a safety case. We're required to follow stringent regulations based on international safety standards by UK independent regulators to demonstrate that a GDF will remain safe even under potential future scenarios, such as sea level changes or an ice age. A GDF will be safe because it will isolate the waste deep underground. The UK's radioactive waste is currently stored in facilities above ground. It's safe, but it's not a long-term solution because some of this waste would require ongoing maintenance for hundreds of thousands of years. A GDF is designed to isolate higher activity radioactive waste up to hundreds of meters deep underground and contain it in a highly engineered underground facility while the radioactivity decreases naturally. This will prevent radioactivity from ever reaching the surface in levels that could cause harm. Once a GDF is closed, it won't require ongoing maintenance because the waste remains sealed away deep underground. A GDF will be safe because it will contain the waste using engineered and natural barriers. Only solid radioactive waste goes into a GDF, transformed into blocks of glass, mixed with cement, or set in a resin matrix. This makes it safer to handle, transport, and dispose of. The solid waste will then be packaged and sealed into robust containers made from a durable material, such as copper, steel, or concrete, depending on the type of waste and geology, and designed to last while it decays. The radioactive waste containers will be carefully placed into a GDF surrounded by a protective backfill or buffer. The backfill of cement or clay protects and preserves the waste container from damage arising from rock movements and even earthquakes. The whole unit will be placed beneath several hundreds of meters of rock, which will form the final barrier between the waste and the surface. A GDF is designed to remain sealed and undisturbed for hundreds of thousands of years, and records of its location will be kept in both national and international nuclear archives. A GDF will be safe because we will only choose a suitable site. We will only consider constructing a GDF at a site where we can prove it's safe and secure, and where a community is willing to host it. We'll analyse the rock at the specific site and design the engineered barriers to make best use of the geology. The site will be tested for suitability at every stage to ensure its long-term safety. If we can't satisfy ourselves and the independent regulators that a GDF at that location will be safe, the project will not go ahead. To put it simply, if it can't be proven to be safe, it won't be built.